Compare and contrast. That is our focus for this week. So again, this week our focus is comparing and contrasting, looking at characters and settings. So we will be heavily focused on characters and settings. The characters, remember, are the people or animals in a story, and the setting is where and when the story takes place. So this week, you need to pay even closer attention to these two story elements, okay? So again, our focus is characters, people and animals in the story, and then the setting of the story, where and when it takes place. So we've seen this before. Remember, this is a Venn diagram. Remember, in our Venn diagram, we have our different, and same. All right, so you're talking about the differences in these two circles, and then you're talking about what's the same in this circle here. So we're going to do some comparing and contrasting. And so pay close attention, because this will be your assignment that you have. You have to do a similar assignment this evening. So for this Venn diagram, I'm comparing, I have the names down here, myself, Miss Hudson, and then my mother, Mrs. Hudson Wright. All right, so things that are different, and then the same will go in the center. All right, so if I say one difference over here, if I say one thing over here, I have to say how it's different over here. So each time I write something on this side, I also have to write something on this side. Okay, so I took time, and I have our pictures here so that you can kind of see. So the first thing, I wear glasses, and you can see that in the pictures. I wear glasses. However, she does not wear glasses. Okay, over here, I have black hair, and you can see, and you guys hopefully remember how I look. I have black hair, and then over here, my mother has blonde hair. Okay, so those are the differences. So every time I wrote something here, I also wrote how it was different here. Okay, so every time you write one on this side, you also have to write something on the other side. Now, let's go to what's the same. We are in the same family. Yes, we're in the same family. She's my mom, so therefore we're in the same family. The next one. We like to watch Marvel movies. Yes, we enjoy watching Marvel movies together. That is something that we both do. Okay, so remember, in the center, you're talking about how you are the same, something that both characters, and since we're talking about characters, people, both are the same. How is the same? You can write the both. You can use the word we both or we like, because you're included in this. So for your homework assignment, you're going to draw a Venn diagram. Just like I drew one, it's just two circles. So I drew one circle and then drew the other circle over it. And then you're going to put your name here, and you're going to put your parents' name here. And you're going to compare and contrast yourself to one of your parents. Okay? So you're going to tell how you are different, and then the same goes in the center. And then bring your assignment to class tomorrow. Post it, yes, post it, because I still want to take a look at it, but also bring your assignment to class tomorrow. When you post your assignment, if you want to do a little video with your assignment, because that's an option as well, you can do that. But definitely post it and then bring it to class tomorrow so that we can talk about it and we can use it. All right. Have a fabulous day.